Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create the iconic University Blue 4 sneakers within your favorite sports game. First, navigate to the Shoe Creator mode from the main menu. This mode allows for extensive customization, letting you replicate popular designs with precision. Ensure you have enough in-game currency or unlockables to access all necessary components. We'll cover selecting the base model, applying the signature colors, and adding crucial details to achieve an authentic look. Now, let's focus on the main body of the shoe. Choose a premium material like suede or nubuck for the upper, as this best mimics the real-life texture. Then, select the University Blue color from your palette. This should be a distinct, bright blue. You might need to fine-tune the color's saturation and brightness, perhaps setting it to a value around 75% saturation and 80% brightness to perfectly capture that signature shade. Next, we'll add the crucial accent colors. The plastic wing eyelets and the heel tab should also be in the same University Blue as the upper. For the speckled midsole and outsole details, select a cement gray or a light, neutral gray. This contrast is key to the design. Finally, choose a clean white for the laces and the inner lining, ensuring all these elements work together to complete the classic aesthetic. To finalize your creation, if your game allows, add a black Jumpman logo to both the tongue and the heel. This iconic branding is essential. Double-check that all visible stitching is either white or a slightly darker University Blue for subtle detail. Take a moment to review your work from all 360 degrees to ensure perfection. Once satisfied, save your custom University Blue 4 design to your in-game collection, ready to be worn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.